Did you bring your jack? Today we're here in, what is it, Haley, Idaho. I'm delivering a hot tub for the Twin Falls store. They have a teepee, which is pretty awesome, with a buffalo skull on top, and then hot tub, so. Now you can tilt it up. 1, 2, 3. Oh, she's a little waterlogged, but not bad. A little spider logged. Down the steps. Okay, 1 second. Let's walk it? Yeah, walk it to the right just a little bit. Okay, now slide yours. Yep. Ready? Yep. Nice. It won't fit quite there, but it would fit like starting there. So we would need like 96. So see, it would barely maybe fit. Basically, you'd walk up to the tub, open the cover, and it would rest here. Yes. Okay. Yes. And then it would only come out maybe like an extra like 6 inches from your old one is all? Yeah. Would that be okay? Moving onto the pavers. Oh, okay. So that would be okay? Yeah, totally. Okay. Totally. Yeah, and then your steps would sit right here. Great. So it wouldn't be too bad. Great. Cool. Measure it one last time. You know, measure 7 times.
Always.
Cut once.
Maybe 1.5.
26 inches.
26 to center?
25 and a half, basically, center.
5 and a half to center, and then 5 and a half.
1, 2, 3. Okay, push. Oh, we're close. 1, 2. There we go. Nice.
Beauty.
Okay, and then corner as far as we can go. What we'll have to do is set it down,
And push it back.
block it, and then do what we did where we just slide it back, you know? All right, down to the knee. Cool. Awesome. Are we lined up pretty good with that hole? As far as if we do go straight back?
Yeah, looks pretty darn good.
That's got to be so close, don't you think? Back?
Yeah, right. Too far.
Oh, it's gonna slip off. Hold on. Let me fix it before we get too jiggy with it. Oop. Made it. Cool.
All right, guys, that concludes our install here in Sun Valley. We just finished up this beautiful Sundance spa. Catch you next time. Thanks for joining us.